Well, if you're looking for a 1940 Ford pickup, take a look at this one. This one is a sweetheart. A lot of custom stuff going on here. I'll try to make it through everything, and I'll also tell you where you can check out the website and the list of everything on this. But here we go. Beautiful 1940 Ford. Now, this is a custom PPG purple paint. As you can see, it has a 2.5-inch chop. Underneath the hood, Chevy 350 V8 paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. As far as some of the equipment, of course, power steering, power brakes, AC, heat. I believe it's a serpentine belt system. We'll pop the hood here when we're done with this and check it out. And as far as the brakes go, you can see you get Willwood disc brakes up front, drum in the rear, rack and pinion, power steering. Since I'm talking about the brakes up here and wheels, as you can see, custom wheels. Those are shot velocity custom wheels, 18s in the front, 19s in the rear. Just set this thing off. The wide whites, I think those are Diamondbacks too. Again, very high-end build in this pickup. Is a steel body. It was actually built in Lakeville, Minnesota, here close by to us. The name of the shop was Dick's Hot Rod Shop. Unfortunately, no longer there, and we had to sell out some of Dick's cars also. So very familiar with where this car has come from and kind of the lineage of it. Very high-end builder. Now, a little more about that 350 underneath the hood. It's got an Edelbrock and Durashine 4-barrel carb and intake manifold. Engine also has a March Performance dress-up kit. Now, you want to see these. You want to check them out. The pictures, they can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. So you can check out the still pictures, the box, the underside, interior, engine bay. Feel free to give us a call to 507-386-1726. Also, with those pictures, there's a board with the information on this truck as far as like for car shows and what have you. So if you wanted to look through the list instead of having to go back and listen to what I'm explaining on here, feel free to take a look at that. That board's got a ton of information about this truck also. Chassis, TCI custom chassis with 4-link rear suspension, Viking coilovers and rear shocks, Mustang 2 front end. I did mention the Willwood brakes up front. Interior is a leather and cloth blend. Gauges, Dolphin gauges. Interior is very custom also. Tilt steering column, CD player, of course, AC and heat controls. Just beautiful and done to match as far as color wise, where you got kind of the gray, silver, and purple blending all together. So very, very nice interior in this one also. As far as the bed, beautiful wood bed back here. This tonneau cover is power, as well as this rear tailgate is power. I'm going to show you how those work here in a second too when you get around to the driver's door. Poppers on both sides as far as the door goes, shaved door handles. I believe those are 37 Ford lights, but you can see those are also custom LED lights back here. Some beautiful Ford pinstriping, and the paint on this, yes, it is as nice in person as it is in these pictures and videos that you're going to look at of this truck. Absolutely beautiful. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist you with getting this truck to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended warranty, so feel free to ask your sales associate about that when you call in or email. This does have a 20-gallon aluminum tank on it, so you can cruise down the road with it, get a ways. I don't think there's a whole lot I'm missing as far as the interior. It does have power windows also. Like I said, the Dolphin gauges and then the cloth and leather. Custom upholstery. All right, I tell you what, let me put my notes down here and let's pop the doors and check into this a little bit closer here. As you can see, matching door panels, carpeting. These two switches right here. This is for the power tonneau cover, and that's for the power tailgate. I'll show you how these work here in a second. There's tonneau cover up, and we're going to lower the tailgate. You can see back there. Some pretty fancy custom street rod stuff going on here. And we'll check out the box and check out the wood, the gas fills back there. And there it is. Take a look at this bed. How's that for a finished off box? Very, very nice. That is also all steel back here. Except for the wood, of course, and stainless, but steel box. Alright, a little more on the interior. It does have a hood latch. Right here, we're going to pop that so we can check out the engine bay. I'm also going to start this up for you. Here, run. See how easily it starts? So it has about 10,000 miles on since the build. 10,504. So it has been driven. There's your AC controls. There's all the gauges work. Stereo system working. See how nice it is in here. Alright, I tell you what, I'm going to pause this video just a second. I want to get that hood open so we can check out the engine bay also on this beauty. Alright, got the hood popped. Let's take a look underneath it here. Look at this. Alright, first of all, look at the chrome up front, how this all ties together into the engine bay. Aluminum radiator that is highly polished. There's that Edelbrock Endura Shine 4-barrel carb, as well as intake. Just beautiful. All the chrome covers, alternator, AC compressor. There's that March dress-up kit, serpentine belt system. Of course, AC, power steering, power brakes on this one. Electric choke and a carburetor. Look at how smooth that baby runs. Wow. Kind of the icing on the cake of this truck. Absolutely beautiful 350 sitting underneath there. Ready to be shown off and enjoyed by its new owner. So give us a call, 507-386-1726. Down below this video in the description there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website so you can check out all the still pictures of this. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist you with getting this beauty to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended warranty. So ask your sales associate when you call in or email us. Look forward to hearing from you on this one. Absolutely beautiful 1940 pickup. Nice Ford street rod. Give us a call.